Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix easy anti-cheat not opening. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Steam, or it could be Epic Games, where the problem is located. For example, you have the game. Okay. In this example, we're going to be using VR chat. Okay, yours may be different, or your game may be different. So just right click on it, click on properties, go ahead and go to installed files and browse. Okay. And then here, you should be able to see an anti-cheat folder. Double click on it and find Easy Anti-Cheat EOS Setup. Right click, click on Properties, Compatibility right here. Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, Windows 8. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Once done, hit on Apply, hit on OK. Now go ahead and close this one. Close and try to play a game and check if it helps. If that will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down services. Click on services right here. Go ahead and find Easy Anti-Cheat. Okay. Easy Anti-Cheat. Okay. As you can see here, we have Easy Anti-Cheat Epic Online Services. So double click on it. Startup type right here. Set this one to automatic. Then hit on apply. Wait for it. Now go ahead and tap on start. Wait for the process to finish and then just hit on OK. All right. And after that, go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Easy Anti-Cheat if it's not opening. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.